Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to count multiple types of items in Smartsheet, especially when you need to count rows that meet one condition or another, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'm showing you a really useful real-world example using the Countifs function. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly count tasks that are in progress or not started without any confusion or manual tallying. So let's hop right in and unlock this time-saving trick. Imagine you're tracking a project and you have a column called Status with a list of tasks. Some tasks are marked as in progress, others as not started, and you probably also have statuses like completed and so on. Let's say you want to know at a glance how many tasks are either just beginning or already underway. Instead of filtering and counting by hand, we can have Smartsheet do the math for us using a smart formula. Now here's the important piece. Smartsheet's Countifs function is awesome for counting rows that meet multiple conditions at the same time *. Think of it as an AND filter. But what if you want to count tasks where status is ** either in progress * or not started? In regular formulas, OR can be a little tricky since Countifs doesn't support multiple OR criteria in the same argument the way Excel sometimes does. But there's a perfectly straightforward workaround. You can simply add two separate Countif formulas, one for each value you want to include. So remember your status column, you'll write equals Countif status in progress plus not started. Let's break that down step by step. The first Countif Countif status in progress is asking Smartsheet to look through every row in your status column and count up every row where the word in progress appears. For our sample data, that would be task 1 and task 3, so 2 tasks. The second Countif does the exact same thing, but this time it's hunting for not started. In our example, that's task 2 and task 5, so another 2 tasks. By adding those two results together, you've instantly got the total number of tasks that are either in progress or not started. No extra filtering, no copy-paste, no squinting at spreadsheets. You just use this simple formula and Smartsheet takes care of the rest. And if you're wondering, wait, does this work for other kinds of statuses too? Absolutely. Just swap in any values you want to count, maybe blocked or on hold, and you can customize the formula to match whatever your workflow needs. Whenever you want to include more options, you can keep adding more Countifs together, just connect them with a plus sign. If you get an unexpected number or don't see the result you expect, double-check that your spelling matches exactly. Smartsheet is picky about extra spaces or capitalization. And if you have a huge sheet, it might take a second or two for Smartsheet to recalculate, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. That's it, super simple and hugely effective for project tracking. If you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you have any questions at all about other Smartsheet formulas or project tips, just pop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on useful tutorials like this one. See you next time.